everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to take you through my ideal morning routine. So depending on the day, I wake up at different times, but during the week it's usually between 6:15 and 6:30, but because I was filming this on a Saturday, I woke up at 7:05. When I get up, I head straight to the bathroom to brush my teeth. I literally can't do anything in the morning before I do that. And when I wake up, I try not to go on my phone until I get to the gym or a half hour after I wake up, because I just find that I am way less attached to my phone during the day and feel more at ease when I do this. Then I usually like to rinse off my face, or like I did today, use a cotton round and just some water to wash off any excess makeup or skincare from the night before. Then Dylan usually wanders up and is clearly much more of a morning person than I am. Then I head downstairs to get dressed. Normally I will lay out my clothes the night before so I don't have to spend time picking them out, but again, this was the weekend, so I honestly forgot. I definitely recommend doing this whether it's gym clothes or clothes for the day, because it saves so much time in the morning. So today I picked out my clothes, changed, threw up my hair in a bun, and headed out to get my bag packed for the gym. And then while I'm doing this, Dylan is kind enough to make the bed every morning. So to pack my gym bag, I first like to fill up my water bottle. Then I grab a mini Cliff Bar to eat on the way there, because I always wake up hungry and I cannot work out on an empty stomach. Then I will grab my winter jacket because I live in New England and it is absolutely freezing. And I will also grab my gym bag, which has my AirPods and a mask already in it. So once I get my jacket on, I use my remote car starter to start up my car so that it heats up while I'm putting my sneakers on. And then we head out. I always love it on the weekends when Dylan goes to the gym with me, but during the week he has to work earlier than I do, so he's not able to come with me. But normally I would just drive myself if it was a weekday, but on the weekends I can sometimes convince Dylan to come to the gym with me. So I just get to sit back and relax today, have some water, eat my granola bar, and it was such a pretty morning. I got a few clips of us driving over the bridge, and it was just a really pretty ride to the gym this morning. And like I mentioned earlier, I still try not to be on my phone, so I just take in the view until we get to the gym. Once I'm at the gym, I put my stuff in the locker, get my AirPods in, get ready for my workout, and then I like to walk on an incline for 15 to 20 minutes. And then today I did abs, but I like to switch off every day what I do after I am done doing a little bit of cardio. I'm typically at the gym for about an hour, sometimes a little less depending on what I have to do that day, but I aim to give myself an hour to work out in the morning. When I get home, I head straight to the shower and get ready for the day. I have to shower as soon as I get home from the gym. I just feel so gross after, so I make sure that that's the first thing I do is shower when I get home. Once I am out of the shower, I put on lotion and comb out my hair before moving on to my makeup. So I have been making an effort to put on a lotion every day under my makeup that has SPF in it. We've all heard how good it is for our skin. It protects our skin from the sun, prevents dark spots and aging, and is just something that if you're not doing it, you should really include this into your routine. I actually need to get a new one because this one isn't the best and the SPF isn't as high as I would like. But for my makeup, I have been doing my mask makeup look, aka I only put makeup on from my eyes up. I do a little bit of concealer, some powder, a little bronzer, mascara, and my eyebrows, and I just feel like I can feel how bad makeup is under my mask for your skin, so I try not to do it if I really don't have to. Once I finish that, I section my hair and I use my new Revlon blow dryer brush. I got this for Christmas and have been loving it. I think I've used it literally every day since. I just go in sections and curl under my hair, and it makes my hair straight and not poofy like I feel like a regular blow dryer does to my hair. I'm still getting used to it and trying to figure out the best way to use it, but so far I love it. So if you don't have one, I think it was like $30 and I would highly recommend it. It's honestly so much faster than a regular blow dryer, and if you've been thinking about it, I would definitely go get it. So once I am done blow drying my hair, I make sure to unplug it from the wall because that's what the directions said when I opened it. And then I get ready to head downstairs and get dressed for the day. If I have to work, again, I will have picked out my clothes from the night before so I don't have to waste time trying to figure out what to wear. Today we are just running errands, so I just picked out some jeans and a sweater because I live in New England and it's cold here. So this is pretty much what I'll wear day to day in the winter, if I'm not wearing like leggings and a little sweatshirt or something. By this time, I'm absolutely starving, so I head into the kitchen to make breakfast. Lately, I've been addicted to yogurt parfaits, but I actually have a video coming soon of all my favorite breakfasts, so make sure to look out for that. With my breakfast every morning, I also take vitamin D as well as magnesium and a probiotic. I just find that these really work for me, and they were also recommended to me by my doctor. So make sure you check with your doctor before taking any supplements in the morning. But I have my breakfast at the table, I have some water with it, and then I usually watch a YouTube video while I'm eating. I like to take the time to just like have breakfast, and I do it with lunch too, and just like relax for a minute and enjoy my food before taking on the day. Once I have finished my breakfast, I will just take a second to look at my phone, respond to any messages I've gotten that morning, and then take care of my dishes. And then typically I will pack up my bag for work after breakfast. And then I also have my gummy vitamins after breakfast because I prefer to eat them after I'm done eating. I don't know, but normally I will make a coffee after breakfast to bring with me to work, but because I filmed this on Saturday, we actually went to get coffee that day. We also were heading to the grocery store, so I was just grabbing the reusable grocery bags as long as my jacket, Dylan's jacket, and then he thought it would be really cute if we did a little bit where he threw me the grocery bags. But that's gonna be it for my morning routine. I head out for the rest of my day. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and found ways to make your morning run more smoothly and efficiently. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I will see you next Saturday.